Hey everybody, Jake and I made a day of it today. As you can see, we've got parts in the air, parts on the ground. We got parts everywhere. We're getting closer to being done pulling things, and hopefully in the next weekend or two we can start putting parts down. But anyways, here's the video. Well, it didn't take near as long this time because of all the work we did last time. Sometimes those payoff moments only happen because you already put all the hard work in before. Sometimes. And number one. That hungry, Jacob? Are you that hungry? Hang me the hammer, I can't use it. I need you to come over here because we're getting ready to swing a door off. So grab a hold up here, both hands here and there, okay? Part of it. So next time it needs to be back here. Better able to adjust the angle up and down as I need it. Yeah. Down first. Right there. Keep on going. Nope. Scoot it in. Scoot it in. Alright. Now, pull it. Alright. Get ready to come over here and grab it. Alright, I need a little bit less pressure on it. Hang on. I was able to move it. Alright, it's loose. You know, I don't really want to kill my back today. So, you grab up here, and I'll grab down here. Ready? Hang on. Ready? Come on. Oh, I never drove the pin all the way out the top. That was dumb. All right, well, let me get the jacket under it. I was like, something seems really easy and I forgot to do the rest. You need to hurry. Not that it's heavy, it's just awkward. Let's get it on there. I don't care if it's centered up yet. All right. That's very silly of me. We need it. There we go. Who would have thought? Okay. Oh, yeah, there's one down here too. I didn't recognize that one being there.
Smelly in here.
Yeah. Color's a color, Jacob.
Ain't me, that's for sure.
Well, there's your problem.
I have a big hole. I mean, the rest of it ain't all that bad. In comparison. Okay, I lied.
How did we manage to get so much transmission fluid right there? Has it been leaking out of that the entire time?
Gee, I don't know.
I don't remember where that harness came from. Definitely somewhere. That's still dripping out. Okay, I was cutting that off, that's right. Stupid. Yay, tetanus shots. There's always another way.
Is that right? 10%? Is that the 10% rule?
You already know more about it than I do, so I guess that means you're 10% smarter than me.
That might be a lofty number.
Still need to take the windshield wiper motor off.